Talk about your daily routines. Daily routines, vocabulary and phrases. Hello, I'm Kate. I do many activities during the day. Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. Wash your face. I wash my face in the morning. Take a shower. Then I take a shower. Dry your hair. After the shower, I dry my hair. Brush your teeth. Then I brush my teeth. Get dressed. I choose my clothes and get dressed. Brush your hair. Then I brush my hair. Put on makeup. I put makeup on. Make your bed. I make my bed. Have breakfast. Then I have breakfast and leave home. Go to school. I go to school. Drive to work. My dad drives to work. Work. He works all day in an office. Study. I study many subjects at school. Wash your hands. I wash my hands before lunch. Have lunch. I have lunch with my friends. Take a nap. After school, I take a nap. Play computer games. I play computer games in the afternoon. Listen to music. I listen to music in the afternoon. Go for a walk. I go for a walk with my mom. Go running. My dad goes running after work. Go shopping. I go shopping with my mom and dad. Ride a bike. I ride a bike in the evening. Exercise. I exercise in the evening. Do homework. I do my homework before dinner. Watch TV. My dad watches TV in the evening. Cook dinner. My mom cooks dinner for us. Read a book. After the dinner, I read a book. Take a bath. I take a relaxing bath in the evening. Go to bed. I go to bed at 9 p.m.